Looking back as a student to where they belong brings back a lot of memories. I think everyone remembers their first day in school.
Some of us cried and wanted to go back home, but the day we left school to step into the bigger world, we realized what this institution truly means to us. Bidding farewell to one's school is probably the toughest thing to do, and it is never easy to say goodbye. That's why as a graduating students of University of Caloocan we created the Alumni Tracer.
For the alumni meets bring back old friends together, and they go down the memory lane to experience their golden days. Memories are what we cling to in end, and such meets are the best way to relish lost moments. And of course one of the main reason why we created this kiosk is to track each and every alumni regarding their performance in the real world or in their work field. As well help them if they need some help.
What is Alumni Tracer? Alumni Tracer is a web-based system with a kiosk that integrates alumni data into a well-management database system. The Alumni Tracer serves as a portal for alumni to update their current status and view online alumni yearbooks. Many alumni of the department have used the Alumni Tracer to update their information and view their own records, dating back to the first batches. The kiosk may highlight its history and legacy, whereas the Student Center's class pages may include links to events.
These are the steps on how to use the Alumni Tracer kiosk. First, just open up the Google Next. In search bar just type localhost/UCC alumni. Second, as you can see they have a login button and register button. If you already have an account just click login, and if you don't, click register.
Number 3, on login button just type your username and password. And it will appear in the search alumni here. You can search your name or name of your friends. Lastly, you will see your profile or your information that you've registered. If you don't have an account, click register and fill up the information. Thank you for listening. Have a good day and always stay safe.